cute too, and I feel like I don't have anything like it. I don't know what to do.
Hey. Oh. Oh, that is good. The tongue is constantly out.
What?
His tongue.
Oh.
And many more.
We're waiting. There you go.
Sydney! Why is there a big egg? Hello! Hi! Hello! It is my birthday weekend vlog and Sydney is here with me. Hello! And I'm just so excited for this weekend. I think we're going to the beach tomorrow and then we're going to dinner, and then on Sunday we're going to Disney, and I'm really excited. And then tonight I think we're going to this new rooftop bar that I've been wanting to go to, so I'm excited. But we are about to go to the gym for a push session, so like bench, shoulder press, all that stuff. My favorite day, but I'm excited. So we are done at the gym and we're gonna make a quick breakfast because then we have to go to Tampa to pick up my birthday cake that I got made, and I'm really excited. We were talking about cottage cheese and I was like, oh, will you try my cottage cheese smoothie? So we're gonna do that, and then also we're mixing eggs and cottage cheese. You don't have to use a lot of that because it has like salt in it, and then you can put pepper. But yeah, so I'm gonna make the smoothie.
Oh,
Sydney's making
pepper cracker.
It's from Aldi.
The Trader Joe's ones, they changed it and it's terrible.
I know, I've had them. But yeah, oh, I haven't even told you guys about my smoothie. I just realized. The smoothie is life-changing. It's cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, frozen strawberries. My camera's about to die, that's great. A protein shake, and then I put a little bit of protein powder in it, but it's legit so good. It tastes like Greek yogurt and I love it, so.
You know who wouldn't try this?
Paige.
Yeah. That's what you asked me. I'm like, yeah, I would try it.
Actually,
anything that's not like, I'm getting better about fish. I eat mahi and salmon now.
proud.
Would you eat sushi? I want to try it, but the problem is whenever like my parents or Olivia gets it, they're like, I don't want to waste a piece of my sushi on you. And I'm like, you're probably right. I could possibly spit it out. We don't know.
Our breakfast is now made. Here are the cottage cheese eggs and then our smoothie, and we're sitting outside on my grass patch and all the doggies are with us. Are you gonna try or have you tried the eggs?
I haven't tried the eggs yet. So the smoothie, just so you guys know, you're not on me. So the smoothie just literally tastes like the animals. It brought me back to my childhood. And then the eggs.
They're good.
They're so good.
It just tastes like you put cheese in eggs, honestly.
Or like when you do like a little bit of milk. Just tastes creamier.
Yummy. No food for you, Kona. We just picked up my cake from the girl. I'll show you guys later. But we're now at the mall so I can go to Sephora to get my birthday gift. And as I was driving, I remembered that I have a Sephora gift card at my house, and I'm really upset because I wanted to buy stuff at Sephora. Now I have to use my real money, but it's fine. I'll just use the gift card another time. But I haven't been to the mall probably since August, so that's fun. The last time when we went.
Oh my god.
Before we went to New Orleans. We're at Abercrombie and I'm trying to decide what shorts I want. I like these ones. I just don't know if I want rips or not. I still have to try on these ones, so. These are so cute too, and I feel like I don't have anything like it. I don't know what to do. We're now at Fresh Kitchen to get lunch. This Fresh Kitchen's so cute.
So cute.
Much cuter than mine, but I'm so excited. Yummy. I got, if it'll focus, my usual barbecue chicken, green beans, brown rice, and there's sweet potato noodles right there, and then creamy white ginger. Would you like to say what you got?
Sure. I got spiced cauliflower rice, sweet potato noodles, green beans, almond crusted chicken, and ginger dressing.
That sounds good. Oh, and then I also got life hack. If anyone comes to Fresh Kitchen in Tampa or other places in Florida, you get the strawberry juice, but you only fill it up to like here, and then you fill it the rest of the way with soda water, because I think it's too sweet, but I think it's perfect like this. Sydney wants me to open my present, so here it is. It's a golden egg because it's my golden birthday, aka I'm turning 25 on the 25th of March. So how do I open
it? Just pops up. If you squeeze it, it'll open.
You want to see what it is?
Aww. This mug, it says proud plant parent, even though
Do you know what it is?
something to do with bread.
It's a sourdough kit. It's like all the stuff you need other than like the mason jar.
Look, Dad, we can make bread.
It's pretty cool.
I didn't know if you had it because you bought the manual for sourdough.
Oh, no, I didn't have it.
That's like the scoring.
Oh, fancy. What is this?
I think it's to clean it.
Oh,
I don't know.
Like addition.
That's my only guess. Conde.
And this is a little, what's it called?
Bowl for it to rise and stuff.
That. That's so cute. That's such a good idea. Thank you, Sydney.
You're welcome.
You want this?
I do.
So we are going out for my birthday. My camera's about to die. I just realized. Love my life.
Oh no, do you have a charge it for 10 minutes?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you my outfit real quick. The lighting's awful, sorry. I'm wearing this dress from Princess Polly, and then my new cowboy boots. I got them for the Taylor Swift concert, but I thought they were really cute with this dress, so I'm wearing them. And Sydney is wearing...
I'm wearing this new shirt and pants in the back from Altered State. And my shoes are from, I don't know, Nordstrom's maybe? A long time ago.
So cute. Okay, I'm gonna go charge my battery really quick for 5 minutes.
I don't think I've ever had soda in my life. I don't think
It's like, I don't do shots like normal. I take them in sips.
Oh.
Just letting you know.
Oh,
It's
then
okay. Then there's Paige.
she's gotten better.
Has she?
She goes,
Okay. Yeah, what time are you going?
oh yeah, because she doesn't take shots like a shot. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Oh, that is good.
Yeah, I'm taking it.
That's good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Roy. It's not quite cinnamon toast crunch.
No, but it's a little bit. It's the aftertaste. Right now, I'm tasting
That's the
cinnamon
shot.
toast crunch.
Not alcohol.
No.
Say hi. She brought you home. I was there. I feel like she.
Cheers!
Thank you, Dad.
Good morning, it's now my birthday and it is 7:55 in the morning, and me and Sydney woke up at 7:40 because this girl that owns a boutique in St. Pete is having a yard sale. So it's like right by my house. So we're going because she has such cute style and I know she's gonna have so many cute things. So I'm really excited, even though I'm tired. But it's fine.
We're good.
We can sleep
Sleep on the beach.
Yeah, sleep on the beach later, so. Even though it's kind of cloudy out.
It looks kind of gross out.
except it's not
It was changed.
cloudy today. We just got done at the yard sale, and then we found out that there were like other yard sales around the neighborhood, so we just went there real quick, but we didn't really find anything because they don't really have as much. But oh, we both got a lot of cute stuff at the first one, so we can do a little haul when we get back home.
Yeah, because we need to try them on.
That's true. Yeah, I only spent like $20, so if it doesn't fit, I'll just, I don't know.
I spent $39.
But you got a lot.
We got a lot.
But yeah, hopefully the stuff looks cute. We brought Kona.
Everything's $1.
Oh, should we
Almost
look?
everything's $1. Where's that one?
I don't know. But yeah,
It's
now.
probably cleared out.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. But now we're gonna go get bagels. It's also like really cloudy, and I am upset because it's supposed to be sunny and it's my birthday and we're supposed to go to the beach. So
Stop or no?
I love this wall.
Fresh bagels daily. Oh, there's so many people.
It's fun. Cause it's good.
Remember when we came here last time and
I don't know what I want. Getting the breakfast sandwich.
you ever had their
Kona! Hi, cutie!
his tongue is constantly out? Hot dog?
What?
His tongue.
Oh. I'm gonna do a try on haul of my stuff. I also need to take off my glasses, but I'm gonna do that real quick. So let's try on the first thing. I have this shirt, and then Sydney has this dress, and it's so freaking cute. Love it. Next, I have this set, which is so freaking cute, but I found out it has a freaking grease stain on the butt, so I'm kind of sad. But if I
dish soap and something.
only take a picture like this, yeah, I'll have to research. And then Sydney has this cute olive green like satin slip dress thing, and it's so cute. Everything Sydney got is so cute. So I'm obviously not gonna wear these pants, but I bought this cute little white turtleneck, and it has cutouts on the side. I know I live in Florida, but I'm going to New York next weekend, but I got them to wear in New York. We are about to go to the beach. Henry's here, and Sydney's in the front.
You sound so excited.
Anyway, my mom had to go back in the store because she forgot to get ice, so we're just waiting for her. And then we're gonna go to a coffee shop, and then we're gonna go to the beach, even though it's already 1 p.m.
Oh my gosh,
But it's
I didn't
fun.
realize this.
Up, down. We made it.
I don't know, like a 2 set.
Are you kidding?
Like when they like make them a different color.
Even if it's blonde?
Yeah, especially when it's just blonde.
Oh, Henry got.
Ooh, I want to try it.
We made it to the beach. We got back from the beach, and I just took a shower, and Paige is here now, so that's exciting. I'm really excited. Almost all of my favorite people are here, minus Jen, but it's okay. But anyway, I'm about to start getting ready, so I'll show you guys my after getting ready look, I guess.
Wait, restart, because we were talking. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dylan. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
Why do you have to ruin my makeup?
He didn't even.
That is a tradition!
He hasn't done it in
Your makeup's
years.
not even.
Hi, welcome back to Dylan's vlog.
You don't want to be sick before.
It's her birthday. It's not focusing, which is really annoying. Focus! There we go.
Is this-
Hi, welcome back to Dylan's vlog. Cheers! I love you, Dylan. Anything you want to say to the birthday girl?
Happy birthday.
Henry?
Happy birthday.
Loser.
Roy says the truest one. Happy birthday, you Aries queen. You golden birthday girl. Love ya!
Love you.
Is it recording? Yeah,
I don't know.
okay, do it again.
Love
I
you.
think it's been recording.
Dill, did you?
We're at dinner.
I thought we weren't having dessert.
What? That is not what he said. Vegans don't watch.
Very good.
Oh, really?
That's why I decided to be a
Venezuelan chocolate. So good.
Oh, I bet.
I'll pour that mousse sauce for you when you're done too.
Thank you.
No, they've already sung happy birthday.
No, no.
Oh no, I don't need any pictures.
What?
I'm good.
We've already.
Kidding me?
Well, you
That's what I've been doing all day.
gotta get before and after today.
Are you gonna sing happy birthday to me? Because this candle's like, this is awkward.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dylan. Happy birthday to you. Many more. Oh, caramel. It looks like it.
Good morning. It's currently 6:54. I don't even think I need this question. Okay. It's 6:54 in the morning, and we're currently driving to Disney. Henry's driving my car. Because he gets car sick in my car, so I told him, it's okay, you can drive. But I don't like driving anyway. But Paige and Sydney are also driving separately in their own cars because Sydney lives in Orlando and then Paige is just driving home after Disney. So, yeah, but the sun hasn't even risen yet. So that's kind of annoying, but it's fine. We're now at Starbucks to get coffee before Disney. Look at my cute little ears. They're Stitch. Also, I'm wearing a shirt with Stitch on it, and it says, it's my birthday. I forgot to show it, but I got a brown sugar oat shake and espresso. Henry got a venti salted caramel cold foam cold brew.
I honestly forgot the sizes at Starbucks, and Venti was the only one I actually remember.
I can't. You could have said medium or small.
They all mean large.
They're not gonna bully you. Now we're actually on our way to Disney Springs because Sydney and Paige are gonna park there because parking's free there, and then we're all gonna take my car, and then I'm gonna pay for parking for the one car, so that's exciting. I don't know if I said this, but we're going to Animal Kingdom and Magic Kingdom. We're going to Animal Kingdom first and then going to Magic Kingdom for like literally only Space Mountain and to watch the fireworks. Like, that's all. We have 43 minutes left of our drive. No, 35 minutes left of our drive to Disney Springs.
There's probably a bathroom in like the Rainforest Cafe thing there.
We're at Animal Kingdom. It's the tree of life. Look, it's me and Henry.
Yeah.
A tail.
But I like that part.
Just what I need.
Ooh, really? Oh, well, I need my phone.
Wait, is it only 45 minutes?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, but this is the river one, I think. I don't know. We are just got in line to ride Flight of Passage, but the wait's already, well, not already, it's like been open for an hour and a half, so. But it's 110 minutes, which is almost 2 hours, so. It's 9:22, so we're gonna see if it actually takes that long. But I think he'll enjoy. Smile. Your teeth will out.
Yeah.
Or as we call it, a banshee.
We just got done riding Flight of Passage and now I'm getting a margarita. I'm excited. It's at Pongu Pongu Snacks. You can't even see.
Can I get the rum blossom?
I got the margarita and Henry got the, what was it? Rum blossom? But his is so good. I mean, mine's good too, but his is so good.
Good morning, explorers. We are the Discovery Island Swimmers. Have a great day.
Aw, a squirrel! Was literally the one that I just put sauce on.
Yeah, I saw that. Hold on.
Yeah, I saw that, so I took it. Wait.
It's good. It just tastes like chili.
Yeah. Like Thai chili.
Thai chili. Oh my gosh. We're watching a monkey.
We came to Satuli Canteen and I got a shrimp bowl with noodles. And then me and Sydney also got a kid's cheeseburger bao bun to try. Wow. Wow. I'm scared.
You want to try it, Henry?
Sure.
Not just it tastes good.
It does in fact taste like McDonald's.
It smells like meat.
Probably better quality.
Tastes like McDonald's.
Doesn't it? It's so weird.
It's 2:06 and I'm currently losing my will to live, but it's okay. We'll power through. We're about to go ride Dinosaur and then Everest and then the Safari and then we're gonna hop over to Magic Kingdom because we have a park hopper. And then, oh, we're also gonna get, they have like buffalo chicken chips and they're in Dinosaur World, so we're gonna get those. Oh, also we got soaking wet because I made everyone ride the Cali River Rapids and we all got soaked, so, but it's fine. We're fine. I had to change the settings on my camera because that was like way too dark. Now it is good. Got the buffalo
Thought that was sour
chicken
cream.
chips.
It
You can try it. It's not chunky. You can have this.
You can eat this one too. Yeah.
Tastes like buffalo chicken chips.
The chips are good though.
It tastes like kettle cooked chips.
I feel like I could make this at home.
Uh-huh.
We're in line to ride Expedition Everest. And Henry is scared. What?
And then here to the left, you're going to see a black rhino. Now, black rhinos are the smaller of the two species of rhinos that we have. Giraffes also have a prehensile, which means their tongue acts like a big finger for them, help them grab food off branches just a little bit easier. So as zebras stand close to one another, those sharps are going to blend together, making it hard for predators.
Now we're at Magic Kingdom. Well, kind of. We still have to ride the boat or the monorail. Whichever one's faster. I prefer the monorail. Henry, are you ready for the ride? This one. It goes like this. 50th celebration. There's the new ugly castle because they painted it. And we're walking over to Space Mountain now.
Oh, there's the last factory.
Oh yeah.
Or the last floor.
Attention Space Mountain passengers. Space Mountain is an early high-speed turning roller coaster type ride in the dark.
Sydney's by her lonesome. Seven Doors Mine Train. Henry, are you gonna do it? Did you have fun?
What's bad?
What? I don't. We're now in line to ride Pirates of the Caribbean. Yeah.
No flash talk.
So tired.
Good morning. It's now Monday. I am dead. I'm very tired, but we had a fun weekend and now we're at Sydney's house in Orlando. So we're gonna go hit the town.
What are you doing?
Fancy.
Song are you singing in your head?
It's like this. But Sydney's downstairs, so we have to go now.
What's this? That's pretty.
I'm getting a cookie. I got my cookie and I'm gonna try it now.
These sunglasses are old and broken.
Just like you.
You're older than me.
I knew.
You cougar.
The lighting. There you go. Do they warm it?
Tastes like banana bread.
Kind of more artificial.
Maybe they put fake banana.
Maybe stupid.
Henry, do you want to
It's
try?
good. Yeah. Maybe it's the crumbled on top.
Now I never need to wait in line to try them at Disney World again. I mean at Disney Springs. We're now in Winter Park on Park Avenue and we're going to Boca for lunch, which is one of my favorite restaurants.
We're just
That's
saying one
weird.
of your favorites, not
Okay, sorry. One of my favorite.
These are my favorite restaurant.
I might get a cocktail solely because it's the last day of my birthday weekend.
Monday.
Even. It's a long
Next week.
but it's a long weekend.
Those Van Gogh experiences. That
Yeah.
3D.
We just got done eating. I forgot to show my food, but I'm now going to my second coffee shop of the day because whenever I'm traveling to different places, I like to get in as many coffee shops as possible. So I've been seeing this one on, I think, TikTok or Instagram or something. It's called Light on Sugar, and it looks magnificent, so I'm really excited. And then afterwards, Sydney's gonna go to Trader Joe's because we're like by it. Maverick! Aw.
Aw, little boy.
I got
I think they layered it that way.
this creme brulee cream puff.
Can I see what it looks like? Oh, that looks really good.
good.
Is it hard on the top? Is
Yeah,
that the point?
right there.
The forks are so cute.
I know.
What is it? What is it technically? Is it like egg yolk or egg white?
It's just like custard. And it's just sweet.
Yeah.
Me and Henry just left Sydney's, well, like 30 minutes ago, and now we're at the outlets because I wanted to go to the Lululemon outlet because I always love to go there when I'm in Orlando. So we're just gonna go check that out real quick. And then we're also gonna see if they have a line at the Character Warehouse because they have like really cheap Disney stuff there. And last time we were here, there was a long line, but we're gonna see if it's not long now because it's not very early in the day.
It's like 5 o'clock.
Yes. We went to the Lululemon outlet, but they didn't have anything cute in my size. But then we went to the Crocs outlet, and I got some gibbets. So I'm gonna show you them. I got 5. First, I got this, you can't even see, iced coffee one. Because Henry already bought me it, but I lost it, so.
When you found it, I'm not sure if you found it again.
Yeah.
Or lost it again.
Then I got this pink star.
That I found.
Then I got, it says dog person. I already have one that says dog mom, but.
You're welcome.
And then I got this Stitch one. I already have a Lilo and Stitch one. But now I just have Stitch. Thought you would say something. And then I got an H. For Henry. Why? Why is it weird?
Because I say it's stuff. Hidden Mickey.
And now we're stuck in traffic.
We love traffic.
On I-4, so we love that.
We hate life.
We made it back to St. Pete. We're at my mom's apartment because we have to pick up some stuff. But we got sweet green. I got the crispy rice bowl. And I asked for bread, but they didn't give me any. But Henry ever so graciously loaned me his bread because I was hanging.
It wasn't a loan.
What?
It wasn't a loan.
What do you mean?
A loan means that I would get it back.
I didn't say loan.
You said loan.
I said ever so graciously gave me his bread.
I said loan.
No, I did not.
Shit.
But Henry got the chicken pesto. It's literally hot sauce.
Just want to taste it. God.
But his looks good. I've never tried this bowl before, so it better be good.